Which animal has whiskers to tickle, wings to fly, and fins to swim?
Aster buds.
Hey Asters! Today we're going on fun animal adventure to learn about the different body parts of animals, birds, fish, reptiles, insects, and many more. From sharp claws and shiny scales to fluffy feathers and wagging tails, every animal has something special. Let's begin with mammals, the furry friends we see around us every day. Head. The control center of the body, holding eyes, ears, and mouth. All mammals have one, from tiny mice to giant elephants. Eyes. Help animals see the world, some even see in the dark. Cats hunt at night, while owls spot prey from far away. Ears. Big, small, pointy, or floppy, they catch every sound. Rabbits have tall ears, while elephants flap their giant ones. Nose, snout, or muzzle. Perfect for smelling food, friends, or danger. Dogs sniff everything with nose. Snout. Longer nose, often in animals that root or dig. Pigs use their snout to dig in the ground. Anteaters, super long snouts for eating ants. Mouth. Used for eating, drinking, and sometimes roaring. Lions roar loudly, while cows quietly chew grass. Muzzle. The front part of the face, including nose and mouth, often in hoofed animals. Horses have soft muzzles that love carrots. Cows have big muzzles for grazing. Deer have gentle muzzles for munching leaves. Tongue. Tastes food and helps with cleaning. Cats use rough tongues to groom, and anteaters use long ones to catch insects. Teeth, fangs, or tusks. Sharp, flat, or giant, they help in chewing, biting, or defending. Cows have flat teeth for chewing grass. Lions have fangs, and elephants have tusks. Neck. Holds up the head and lets it move around. Giraffes have super long necks, while hippos have very short ones. Fur, hair, or mane. Covers the body to keep animals warm and stylish. Sheep grow wool, lions have manes, and bears have thick fur. Whiskers. Tiny sensors that help animals feel their surroundings. Cats and seals use whiskers to sense movement nearby. Horns. Hard and pointy, used for protection or showing off. Cows, goats, and rhinos all have horns. Antlers. Big, branch-like headpieces that grow and fall off every year. Deer and moose proudly grow antlers. Hooves. Hard feet that make a clip-clop sound when walking. Horses, cows, and deer all walk on hooves. Paws. Soft, padded feet that help animals walk and run quietly. Dogs, cats, and tigers have paws. Paw pads. The soft, squishy bottoms of paws, like built-in cushions. Seen on cats and dogs, they make those cute paw prints. Claws or nails. Sharp or curved, they help in scratching, climbing, or digging. Bears dig with claws, squirrels climb with them, and tigers hunt with their claws. Trunk. A long, bendy nose that works like a hand, a straw, and a hose all in one. Elephants have trunk which help them to drink, eat, carry things and in many ways. Flippers. Flat, strong arms for swimming through water. Seals clap with flippers, while dolphins zoom with them. Tail. Used for balance, signals, or swatting flies. Horses swish tails, cats flick them, and monkeys even hang from theirs. Now let's flap our wings and fly high into the sky to meet the birds. Beak or bill. Pointy, curved, or flat, birds use it to peck, eat, and crack food. Eagles tear meat with hooked beaks, while ducks scoop water with flat bills. Eyes. Super sharp, helping birds spot food from far away. Hawks and eagles can see tiny animals from the sky. Crest. A feathery crown on top of the head, like a fancy hairstyle. Cockatoos raise colorful crests, and peacocks show off feathery crowns. Feathers. Soft, strong, and sometimes colorful, they keep birds warm and help them fly. Parrots flash bright feathers, while penguins wear waterproof ones. Wings. Special arms for flying, flapping, or gliding. Sparrows flap quickly, while eagles glide smoothly in the air. Talons or claws. Strong, sharp toes for grabbing food or holding onto branches. Owls and eagles catch prey with powerful talons. Tail feathers. The steering wheel of a bird, helping it balance and turn. Peacocks also spread tail feathers into a giant fan. Comb. The red, bumpy crown on top of a rooster's head, like a spiky hat. Wattle. The soft, dangly skin under a rooster or turkey's beak, like a little chin decoration. Let's crawl into the world of reptiles and hop along with amphibians. Scales. Hard or shiny skin that works like built-in armor. Snakes, lizards, and crocodiles are all covered in scales. Crest. A bumpy ridge running along the head or back. Iguanas and some lizards show off tall crests. Tail. Long and strong, used for balance, swimming, or defense. Crocodiles swish their tails to swim, while lizards use theirs for balance. Claws. Sharp nails for digging, climbing, gripping, or grabbing prey. Lizards climb with claws, and crocodiles use them for walking on land. Shell. A tough, bony shield that works like armor, carried on the back. Turtles and tortoises hide inside their shells when scared. Frill. A big, fan-like flap around the neck. Frilled lizards spread it out to look bigger when threatened. Tongue. Long, sticky, and super quick for catching food. Frogs zap flies with tongues, and chameleons shoot them out far. Skin. Slimy in amphibians. Smooth and wet, helping them breathe and stay moist. Frogs and salamanders have slimy skin. Eyes with membranes. Many have clear third eyelids to see underwater or protect from dust. Crocodiles and frogs both use these special eyelids. Time to dive underwater and see what body parts fish and other aquatic animals have. Fins. Flat, flappy parts that help with swimming and steering. Goldfish, sharks, and dolphins use fins to glide through water. Gills. Special slits that let animals breathe underwater. Fish like salmon and tuna breathe with gills instead of lungs. Scales. Shiny plates that cover and protect the body. Trout and carp shimmer with colorful scales. Flippers. Wide, paddle-like limbs for fast swimming. Seals, penguins, and sea turtles use flippers like oars. Whiskers or barbels. Long feelers near the mouth that sense food. Catfish and some sharks use barbels to find snacks in murky water. Blowhole. A hole on top of the head for breathing air. Whales and dolphins spout water from their blowholes. Shell. A hard home that protects soft bodies. Clams, oysters, and snails all carry shells. Tail or caudal fin. The main swimming power tool. Sharks and tuna zoom through the sea using their tails. Now we're entering the tiny world of insects and spiders, small but super fascinating. Antennae. Little feelers on the head that sense touch and smell. Ants and butterflies use them to explore the world. Exoskeleton. A hard outside shell that works like armor. Beetles and crabs wear their skeletons on the outside. Wings. Thin, often colorful parts for flying. Butterflies flutter, while dragonflies zip super fast. Compound eyes. Made of thousands of tiny lenses to see in many directions. Flies and bees have them for wide-angle vision. Mandibles or mouth parts. Strong jaws to bite, chew, or cut food. Ants and beetles use them like tools. Stinger. A sharp point for defense or hunting. Bees, wasps, and scorpions use their stingers to protect themselves. Spinnerets. Tiny parts that spin silk. Spiders make webs with them. Legs. Usually 6 for insects, 8 for spiders. Grasshoppers jump with legs, while spiders crawl with 8. Claws or pincers. Strong grabbers for holding, digging, or protection, like crabs, lobsters, and scorpions. Proboscis. A long straw-like mouth for sipping or sucking, like butterflies, moths, bees, and mosquitoes. Now, let's check out some special and unique features that make animals truly stand out. Beards. Hair under the chin used for display. Goats and turkeys have beard. Spurs. Hard, sharp spikes for defense or fighting. Roosters and some lizards have spurs. Pouch. A built-in baby carrier. Kangaroos and possums have pouch to carry their babies. Skin patterns. Special colors, stripes, or spots on skin for showing off. Tigers, zebras, and leopards blend in or stand out with their skin designs. Camouflage skin. Skin that blends in or changes color. Chameleons and cuttlefish skin camouflages with the surroundings. Tentacles. Long, flexible arms for grabbing or sensing. Octopuses and squids have tentacles. Suckers. Sticky circles on tentacles for gripping tightly. Octopuses and squids have suckers on their tentacles. Wow! We learned so many cool things about animal body parts. Which one was your favorite, the beak, the tail, or maybe the whiskers? Tell us in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, subscribe to Aster Buds, and hit the bell icon for notifications on more fun and amazing learning content. See you in the next video.